To install texture packs in Minecraft Java, start by opening a browser and navigating to a reputable website that offers free and virus-scanned mods, such as CurseForge. On this website, scroll down to the Featured Games section and select Minecraft. Then choose the Resource Packs option from the top menu. Browse through the various categories to find a texture pack that suits your desired look. And once you've selected one, review its details, including the number of downloads, compatible version, and user comments. To download the texture pack, click the download button at the top right and save it to your computer, likely in the Downloads folder. Before installing, it's a good idea to scan the file for viruses using Microsoft Defender or a similar program. Once the file is deemed safe, open Minecraft, select the Play option, and then navigate to the Options menu. From there, choose the Resource Packs option and then select the Open Pack Folder button, which will open the Resource Packs folder for Minecraft. Locate the downloaded texture pack and drag it into the Resource Packs folder. Return to Minecraft and navigate back to the Resource Packs menu, where you should now see the newly installed pack under Available Resource Packs. Select the Play button to move it to the selected section, ensuring it's higher in the list than the default pack. You can then select Done and open a game to see the new texture pack in action. If you want to remove or add more texture packs, simply open the main menu, go back to the options, and access the Resource Packs menu again. From there, you can add or remove packs as desired. With these steps, you should be able to successfully install and use texture packs in Minecraft Java, enhancing your gameplay experience with custom graphics and textures.